Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to target the children of an element using jQuery. So whereas with when we were looking at the parent of H3, we were looking up. If we were looking for the children of H3, well, we wouldn't find any. If we were looking for the children of row, we would be finding column X. So when HTML elements are placed one level below another, they are called children of that element. For example, the button elements in the challenge with the text target 1, 2, and 3 are all children of div class well ID left well. jQuery has a function called children that allows you to access the children of whichever element you've selected. Here's an example of how you would use children function to give the children of your left well element the color blue. So here we've got our left well and then the children. So we're selecting each of the children of the left well. Right, of this div left well, and so we're going to be selecting 3 elements, button, button, and button. And we're going to set the color to blue, which would mean we would change the color of these buttons from this black color to blue. So we want to give all the children on the right well. I'm going to just stretch this out so it's a little easier to see. We want to go, we want to give all the children of our right well. So we're going to target our right well. And we want to get the child. Did you say child or children? Yeah, children. C-H-I-L-D-N. And then we want to give the CSS a color of orange. And there you go. All the children of the right well have the color of orange selected there. Run the tests and they see the pass. Cool. Yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you guys, oh no, it looks like I got something wrong. All children of right well should have the text orange, have orange text. And they do. Sometimes if you're not passing the test, it helps to just reset it by maybe just changing something and changing it back, and then it works. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.